Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to our
channel.
Happy Wednesday! It's currently 10 in the morning and nasa labas kaming mga girls.
Mama.
Hi! So ang ating Ate Paris ay school holidays na, wala ng school.
Guess what? Guess what I'm doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Taking it by to Santa.
Oh, yeah. That's right. Anyways, alam niyo ba guys? Ilang ano pa kami? Ilang houses from our place, yes. And itong dalawa ay nag-aaway. Kasi baby Celine ay dapat sana dito uupo. So, that's cool, yes. And then Ate Paris will use that, ang tawag dyan. How do you call that one? Board or something. Anyways, ang ating baby Celine ay gusto din dyan. Gusto din siya dyan. Tapos ngayon, sabi ko kay Ate Paris na dito siya kasi mamaya naman pag umuwi kami, ito ay matutulog, nap time niya. Tapos si Ate Paris doon mamaya. So, hindi kami magkaintindihan lahat, guys. So, umiiyak ito kasi nga hindi pa ito siya 100%, guys.
Nice, I love it.
Yes. That's right. Yeah. So, pero much better na. Tingnan nyo naman. Pagkatawa na. So, this one here, kaya sabi ng tatay nila, kahit nag-work yung tatay nila, I'll just bring the, thing to you. The bag. The scooter to you. Kasi Ate Paris, ang gumamit ng scooter si Baby Celine kasi gustong-gusto niya doon. And then, nakita ni Baby Celine ng scooter, guys, ay alams na. So, ngayon, nag-stop kami kasi we're having an agreement again here kung ano yung gagawin namin. Kasi itong isa ay gusto na namang scooter ang gamitin.
Sorry.
Talaga namang mamaya pa kami makakarating nito, guys. Ano yung isa sa likuran? Oh. Push pa more. Oh my God. Kung isahang ano lang sana kami, prom. Lin, abot na lang yun ni mo, Lin. Ay. Pupunta kami ng post office kasi yesterday may natanggap kami ito, like, we missed you card. Buti po yung post office. I missed you. Ayan. So, pick upin natin. Hindi ko nga alam kung ano to. Pick upin natin. Kasi gusto ko rin ilabas tong dalawa para makapag-exercise ba. Fresh air. Sobrang ganda pa naman as long as nasa shade ka. Pero pag nasa, direct sunlight, oh my God, sobrang init. We're gonna go to the park as well, malapit. Lalo na ito, kasi kailangan mag-exercise talaga siya ba para makapupo. No? How you feeling, ate? Huh? Sure?
Mm-hmm.
Do you wanna sit there?
No, I want to sit.
You don't wanna sit?
My bike.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's my bed.
Bird coming.
Dragonfly.
Oh, dragonfly. I thought you were looking at it. Honey, go.
Dragonfly.
Yeah. Do you want to sit, honey? Lenny, do you want to sit in the pram? Yeah. Hey, do you want to sit in the pram?
No, I want to ride back.
You want to ride your scooter?
Okay.
Can you say scooter?
Coca?
No. Scooter.
Coca?
Scooter. Okay, nakbe. Celine's turn. Good job, ate, drinking water. Yeah. Lingo po si Inday.
If me would let another change, I was in here this time.
You can sit there. You want to sit there?
When we get back home, if Celine still wants to be there, I'll be at the back.
Mm-hmm.
Just go.
Stop kami dito sa cafe, guys, for ice chocolate. Yung dalawang to.
Jolly.
Ang init sa labas. Dito naka-aircon. Ayan, pinark namin yung farm sa labas. And the thing is here. Scooter. Okay, our ice chocolate is ready.
This Barry, nice to see you. Nice to get made as well, so you never know.
Yeah, this one here, mag-share kami ni Baby Celine. Okay. Shall we drink it first? Yeah. We can't actually ride the scooter and drink at the same time. Come, Eileen. So let's just drink it before we go to the post office. time check tayo, it's now 1:20 ng hapon and yung girls natin ay nagnanap. So, kanina pagka-uwi namin ay actually, pumunta pa kami ng after post office, pumunta kami ng op shop. So, pagkapasok namin ng op shop, si Ate Paris ay nasabi niya, I need to go to the toilet. At yung mukha niya ay yung, alam niyo yung mag-worry ka na. So, straight away, pinasakay ko siya sa yung skateboard sa likuran. I carried the scooter, baby Celine sa upuan. Tapos, tumakbo na kami. Tumakbo na kami, guys. Oh my God, para akong kingkay. Anyways, nakarating kami dito on time. At Paris went to the toilet straight away. And thanks God. Oh my God. TMI ba, guys? But, she just had a big yes. Alam nyo na, yung hinihintay namin. So, I'm very happy and yeah, for sure she will feel much better now na nakalabas na yun. And pina-shower ko siya ng very quick lang and then I put them both to bed. So, nagnanap silang dalawa ngayon. So, we've got this letter. Ito yung pinikap namin sa post office, guys, from Nani and Palaite. So, grandparents ni Daddy Mike. Tingnan natin. I think it's Christmas card. So, aalis ako very soon kasi may appointment ako, guys, for my lashes at 1:30. So, si Daddy Mike ay ayan, lang, off lang niya sa phone. Si Daddy Mike muna yung magbabantay ng mga kids. Tulog naman sila. Wishing you joy this Christmas season. Ayan. So, talaga ng lola. Ala, sana all. Daddy. See, Paris is now getting used to it. Every time now we receive card from Nani and Pa, she's just like, oh, let's open it now, Mommy. For sure there's money in there. Thank you, Nani and Pa. Thank you. There's $200, guys. 50 each. 50 each, Pa? Nan? 100 each for the kids. Ano ba talaga? Sabi, to Michael, Jovi, Paris, and Celine, warm wishes for the Christmas season. Lots of love, Nan and Pop. Aw, so sweet. Thank you, Nani and Pa. Thank you. Matutuwa ng mga kids. May pang-Christmas sila. They always, lagay ng cash kasi mahirap man sila mag-send ng regalo dito, diba? So, instead of that, cash na lang yung binibigay nila. Thank you, Nani and Pa. But I gotta go kasi malilate na. Daddy, they're both asleep now, guys.
Ha? Wala?
Love you.
Love you.
Daddy muna magbabantay habang nagtatrabaho. Hindi, mag-off na yan siya. Kasi lunch break na naman. So, mag-off na yan siya. Just in time. Knock, knock. Good, how are you? Ooh, Mama! Mama! Is Mommy alam mo ulit? What did you have? What did you eat?
Popcorn.
A popcorn! Okay, let's go sit down. Love you. Where's Ate? Still sleeping? Ah. So, 1 hour later, guys, nakauwi na ako. And ever more beautiful. Charis. Ayan, naka-lashes na si mami nyo. What do you think, Daddy? Thank you for eating my sushi. Pero ang Ate Paris ay still sleeping, guys. My God. But that's good for her. I'm so happy she's still sleeping. Ito ay, gising na kaagad, anak. Anak. Shh. Lini. Lini, you say hi here?
Mommy.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Did she eat pudding? But yeah, that's my lashes, guys. I'm so ready for Christmas. So, bukas meron tayong photos with Santa tomorrow night.
Maya.
So, yeah, ready na ang aking lashes. Oh, it really makes difference, you know? Like, sa mata of my lashes. Ang bilis ni ate, ha? Nag-ano ng lashes ko? It's only 1 hour na yan? 1 hour. Normally kasi 1 hour and a half. But wala siguro akong lashes na marami. Kaya, tingnan nyo. But I love the way she does my lashes this time. But yeah. Yung length nito ay 8, 9, 10 sabi niya. But yeah, that's it. Okay. What are you watching, eh?
Scam City.
Huh?
Scam City.
Come on. Bye. Come on. Here, mommy. 1, 2, ready?
Yeah.
Go. I think.
I want to jump.
Okay. We are taking Auntie Paris to
I
her
want to jump.
swimming now.
I
We'll go
want to
jumping.
jump. I want to jump. Daddy. I want to jump.
Gotta go because Auntie is late.
I want to jump.
So, today is Auntie Paris' last day of swimming. Yeah?
A few moments later.
Look guys, we are 5 minutes late. Lini is there. Tingnan niyo naglalaro. Alam niyo ba, last day na ng swimming ni Ate Paris today. Kasi, for this swimming school, last day today for this year, and then next year ay hindi na namin enroll sa Ate Paris swimming because Daddy Mike wants to put her somewhere else like dancing or gymnast or something like that. Something different for her. So yeah, exciting. She's very like excited to come. So kaya dinala ko na ating baby sila nandun. What are you playing? Ooh, rocks. What are you doing? Yes. Airplane, oh, lapit lang. Have a look at the airplane lang. Ling Ling, have a look at the airplane. Oh, Qatar Airways.
Airplane.
Yeah, airplane. Yeah. Kung panoorin si Ate Paris kaya. Good girl, Ate. Okay, thank you for your support this year. First Wednesday back. How's the swimming, Ate? Good? That's good. Good girl.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's locked, you see? It's at school holidays, that's why. Hmm?
Mom.
So yung mga friends ni Ate Paris dito sa swimming ay wala guys. Yung girl and boy, finish na sila sa swimming kasi they're moving to Melbourne na.
Hey, girl, boy.
Si
Benjamin.
Yeah, Alyssa and Ben. Girl and boy.
Thought so.
Yeah. And then, yung isa, si Petra ay wala dito today because she's sick. Nag-message yung mami sa akin. Sabi na hindi sila makakasama ngayon sa swimming kasi
Tummy ache.
she's got tummy ache. So,
My
sabi ko,
last day.
yeah, sabi ko, Paris had that the other night as well. So, it seems like it's going around, guys. Yung mga kids, they're having that thing, like virus. Yeah, kasi sabi niya, yung ibang mama, nakausap rin niya, and they're all, you know, the kids are like vomiting as well. So,
Other
yeah, lucky. We're not vomiting. Lini girl!
mine.
Shall we go lang? Because it's close anyways. Shall we go? Because I left my phone in the car, I think. Or at home? Big ones, aren't they? Tingnan niyo, oh. Careful, darling.
Two.
My spiders. No, I think that one is her egg lang, oh. Oh, look, the white on top.
I didn't know it was that big.
It's big. There's another one here.
How come that thing around is super white?
I know. It's so good.
Maybe it was just.
Good web.
Which one's bigger?
What's wrong lang?
3,000.
Ito yung isa. Gusto talagang mag-seatbelt dito sa likuran. So, dito na kami sa baba ng bahay, guys.
Dine up.
Looks so good, ma'am.
Lainey. Bellissimo.
Lini,
Simo.
Lainey likes her sausage.
you love it? Yummy. What do you say to Lola?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tinan nyo yung ginagawa ng ate Paris. High heels pa more.
Right size. It's right size. The right size.
Is it right size? It's size 5. Oh my god. It's very so messy.
They're not size 5.
What size am I?
6.
Wow! How did you know? Size 5 because I bought that one because I thought it's cute, but it's too tight. You can have it when you grow up. Ay, tingnan niyo ang isa, guys. Hindi pa more. They just...
I knew it was 6.
How did you know? Buligit ba kanina
Because
pa?
it's second after 5. Because it's after 5.
Okay. I'm gonna go to bed soon. So this one is having Didi. Look. Paris got her dress for tomorrow ready. Because we're having our photo with Santa tomorrow.
Santa, not Santa.
Now 9:30 and tingnan nyo, tutulog na si Inday. Kanina pa sana tutulog eh. But laro. But it's okay kasi no need naman na maaga kaming gumising kasi walang school si Ate Paris. So tomorrow yung ganap natin ay photos with Santa pero gabi pa yun kasi Daddy Mike works until 7 o'clock at night kasi late na siyang nag-start ngayon. And we booked the photos with Santa for 8 o'clock tomorrow. So ito, niready na niya Paris kasi ito suotin niya bukas. Tapos ito, pag nakita ng kanyang kapatid, ewan ko na lang. So parang green yung aming theme bukas, magiging theme. So I get something for Lenny na green kasi I'll show tomorrow, but binigyan ako ng biyanan ko ng Zara na pants, white pants. So naisipan ko na yun yung suotin ko with with my green na vest na ganito. So it will be really nice. I'll show you tomorrow. I'm super excited kasi tinry ko na siya kanina. But yeah, she's so kind. Binigay niya sa akin kanina yung Zara na pants. I'm going to end the vlog here now kasi papatulog ko na tong... Hoy! Seriously, pantay ka karon. Patulog ko na tong isa. Si Ate Paris ayaw pong matulog kasi hinintay yung tatay niya. Nandun sa baba, kausap yung papa niya. Daddy Mike promised Ate Paris na maglalaro sila ng Uno card. So, hindi pa siya matulog. Anyways, I'm going to end the vlog and I'm just gonna do a quick shout out beforehand. Shout out to Riz Channel, Yet Balino, Jamila Kawaja, Carmen Lu, Emily, A Chic Life, Rochelle Pacana, Esther Temwat, Delaney Prince, Mercy Narito, Lenny Langit, Lisan Bansil, Victoria Baptista, Pinay in SK Lee, Maricar Castañeda, Lolita La Cuesta, Cecilia Flora Rilos, Sweet Shy Kulit, Luz Tiong Son, Blue Paint, Hilas Ka, Mary Ann, Marian Mina, Annie Vergara, and Irene Aliperio. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
Mama.
Yeah, thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up. Ayush. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Be careful. Bye.
bye, guys.
I want to say something. And click on this red button if you want to watch more of our videos. Where is it there?
Good night, Lily.
Night.
Mwah.
Mwah.